Okay, today we're going to have a look at Scratch and how to use it. So I'm just going to walk you through that so that you have more of an idea of what to do when you go into Scratch yourself. So go to my Weebly page, mrsfrears.weebly.com, remembering that my last name is spelled F-R-E-A-R-S. So have a look at the, look where my mouse is up the top here, make sure you've got that correctly into your address bar. Then go to your Year 6 digital tech stuff. We've done this many times, so you should know what to do. Just waiting for that to load. Beautiful. Okay, now once that comes in, I want you to scroll down to week 8. Right, now you will have gone on to this link to Flip's lesson to get this video. Now you need to go to link to Scratch. So we're going to open up Scratch. Right, you're going to need to go to Help, and then we're going to go the Try Out the Step-by-Step Intro. So we're going to click on that one. Don't right click, just wait. And up it comes. Okay, I'm just going to move my face over a little bit. I'll just pop it here. Okay, so we basically got two parts of our screen that we're going to be using. So this is the bit over here that you are going to control. And like we did with our blocky games, you can see here, these are your blocks that you're going to use. These are your parts of code, your coding that you're going to use to get our little Scratch figure here called a sprite to do some actions. Now if you come over to this side, the right hand side of your page, this is actually going to sort of walk you through some things that you need to do. So for example, we're going to go to begin. So you're going to click on begin, and then it says drag a move block into the scripts area. Okay, so see how this is a sort of a light grey? That's the scripts area. On your page, this bit here is your scripts area. This is where you're putting your script. Okay, and if you can see here, this little block, this is just a smaller version of what you've got over here. So see how it says scripts up here? Well, down here, different sort of controls that you'll need to click on, and we'll work through some of these today. And these are the bits that we're going to use to make our code and make our script, basically, to get our little sprite here to move. So it's asking you to drag a move block into the script area. So this person is move 10 steps, that part of the script. So let's just do exactly what they're asking us to do and move it over to there. Once you have done that, you're going to just go to next, and it's going to tell you next bit. Okay, drag out a play drum block from the sound and snap it onto the move block. So from sound, see how we're changing now? So here, if we have a look here, sound, we're going to click on sound and see how it's changed the colors and it's changed the blocks. Now we're looking for play the drum. So we're going to go through play sound, stop all sounds, play drum. Right. Now, like we did with our blocky games, we're going to click it into place as such. Okay. Once you've done that, we're going to go next. All right. Now it says add another move block. So as you can see, move, it'll change. So we're going to go back over here. We're going to go to the motion. So motion was the blue, the motion moving. All right. And then it says move. We're going to do another move step and click it on. But it says click inside the block and type in a minus sign. So see how here they have put in the minus sign? So we're going to come over to our side now. We're going to click on here and we're going to put in a minus sign. Once we've done that, we go to next. Now I'm not going to go through all of these steps with you. You'll be able to work them out yourself. But as you can see now, we are going to change. We've gone here. Okay, so it says drag out a repeat block and drop it on top of the stack. So they've gone to, as they're showing you, control. So we're going to go to control, and then we're going to do the repeat, what they're saying. We're going to click it all in. Now, in the process of this, I noticed this when I was having a go at it, they've actually added something that we haven't here. So they've added play drum here for 0.25 beats. So I'm actually going to go back now, which you can do, and I'm going to go to the motion, no, it was sound, to sound, right. And then I'm going to do the play the drum. I'm going to click it in here. I'm just going to squeeze it in there. And if you have a look, they've actually changed that to 4. Okay, so I'm going to change this now. It's a crash symbol instead. Okay, so all you're going to need to do is continue to follow all of the steps that they keep saying. So now you like clicks, looks, and drag out a say block. So we're going to go over and do exactly what they say. We're going to go to looks and so forth. Okay, so follow that through, and that should help you to get an understanding of the way that we use Scratch, okay? The idea is to work through this tutorial, and then once you've got a really good understanding of how to do this, then you guys will be able to create your own games and stuff like that, and I'll show you some of the other games that you can go to later. All right, but that is step 1. All right, so you're going to need to close out of this, and you are then going to need to go to the link on my Weebly site, which takes you straight to Scratch. All right, well done.